Good morning students. This class is for class 4 social studies class, and today we are going to solve our question and answers of chapter 5, the coastal plains and the islands. Your first question is, where are the western coastal plains? Where are the western coastal plains? This question's answer you will get in page number 31. Here, the western coastal plain, first paragraph, okay. The western coastal plains begins from Rann of Kutch in Gujarat and moves southwards along the western borders of Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala to Kanyakumari, the southernmost tip of Indian mainland. This is your first question's answer. Okay, now we will go to next question. Question number B. What is a lagoon? This question's answer also you will get in page number 31. What is a lagoon? Lagoons are small and shallow saltwater lakes, ponds that cut themselves off from the main sea by rock or sandbar. They are also known as backwaters and are connected one another by canals. This is your answer number B. Okay, now question number C. Why are there lighthouses on the Konkan coast? This question's answer also you will get in page number 31. You will write from the question first. There are lighthouses on the Konkan coast because, after writing because, you will come to page number 31 from here. Because it is rocky and narrow and hills go up to the seashore in many places. Lighthouses have been built along the coast to warn the ship against the rocks. Okay, up to this much you will write question number C's answer. Now come to question number D. Name one port on the western and one in the eastern coastal plain. You have to write name of one port of the western and one from the eastern coastal plain. So, how you will write the answer? The port on the western coastal plain is Mumbai. Okay, Mumbai. And remaining part of the question, the port on the eastern coastal plain is, on page number 32, Chennai and Visakhapatnam. From here you will write any one, either Chennai or Visakhapatnam, any one. Okay. Now your last question. What is the importance of ports? You will write from here, ports are, now come to page number 33, here, important for inland and foreign trade. Okay, ports are important for inland and foreign trades. So with this, our question answer also finished. Now you will revise this chapter, write down the question and answer. If you have any problem anywhere, you will ask me. This much for today's class. Have a good day. Bye-bye.